Want to see locked profile on Facebook? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. First of all, launch open the Facebook app. Now go ahead and search for the profile that is locked. Now you want to take a screenshot of this profile. Once you have taken a screenshot, you also want to copy the link. Tap on these three dots. Once you tap on that, you'll find the option of copy link. Go ahead and select that. Once that is done, head back. Now, you want to tap on these three lines to open up the menu. Scroll down and tap on help and support. Now tap report a problem. Tap continue to report a problem. Here you can select include or don't include. Now scroll down a bit and tap on the option of profile. Go ahead and tap on upload from phone. Now you want to upload the screenshot that you have just taken. Now go ahead and type in your message. Here you want to type in that you would like to request assistance for viewing this profile as he has recently logged it. You also want to paste the link over here and give a valid reason why you want to see their locked profile. Then tap on the send option. Now, if Facebook finds your reason valid, you will be able to check out their profile even though it is locked. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.